So, once you've figured it out, the idea is to look for the next worthy host. Humanity progresses by passing things on. The reason why the car is possible is because of many generations of knowledge being passed on. Rockets are possible, Wi-Fi is possible, Bluetooth is possible. You are possible, literal anatomically, because you are an unbroken chain, or the sign of an unbroken chain of people falling in love and making a baby, you know? So realize that somehow passing on is part of life. Part of the way that we teach each other as people is part of the way we teach each other is that we teach each other to hold on to. We learn to hold on to things because we are obsessed with the idea of solidity and something that doesn't erode to time. But somehow time definitely flows and you can't stop the thing. And the essence of time is change. So the idea is you can use the change or you can try to resist it. Sometimes it's time to resist change. You know what I mean? Things are going well. Resist. But also realize that eventually you need to pass on to a worthy successor. This is an important concept. And it's also against your nature. There's a lot of things that I say on my channel here, which are against your nature as a person. You know, they require bravery, they require discipline, they require ideas of letting go, like what I just said to you. Letting go is hard as hell for a human. Particularly something they love. It's really hard to let it go, but you need to think about these things. You know, even down to your life in itself. Think about letting go of your life. It means think about dying. And in thinking about when you die, you will realize what is most important to you in your life. And I'll tell you what, it's not money. You're not going to be thinking about money on your deathbed, you know? Fast forward, go to your deathbed, check. More than likely it's going to be people. Do you see? So it's good for perspective, and then also it helps you orient yourself, because it's important that you do find a successor to be able to catch what you leave behind. The human race succeeds from passing things forward. An important concept, a difficult concept, a real concept.